Okay, here we go. The subject is timer. This is a timer. This timer has many purposes. It was used in any automatic control or automatic electrical installation. So this is the timer. Okay, this is the timer, and this is a socket. So this timer is having 8 pins. You see this? 8 pins. So the 8 pins is wait. Wait, so I will use magnifying glass now. The 13 and 14 numbers is used for operating coil. Just remember my words of numbering because it is important. So, and the number 9 and the number 12 is a common wire. The 6 pin is it has 8 pins. The 2 pin is for operating coil, and the 6 pin is for the contact. One side is normally open and normally closed, and the other side is normally open and normally closed. This is a single pole double throw. So one pole, or I mean it's to understand clear is two-fold double throw. So double throwing to normally close and throwing to normally open. So okay, the 6 pin is for switching contact, such as normally close and normally open. So this one side is the common is number 9, and the number 1 is normally close, and the number 5 is normally open. So the other side is The number 12 is a common terminal. So from button to the next upper side is common terminal. So the number 4 is normally closed, and the number 8 is normally open. From button to the next and another next is normally open, and the last pin on top is normally closed. Okay, so this is a 30 seconds maximum time to energize the coil. So it has a 0 seconds or minimum 0 seconds. Then you can change the setup by your own setting, like 15 seconds or 20, 25 or 30 or 10 or 5. So whatever you want, you can change your setting by this knob. So the aspect of this timer is here. If you want to buy this timer, you need to get this type. Okay. You need to get this type and the brand name plus the specs, like the operating voltage. The operating coil has operating voltage. This is a multiple operating voltage. Not this timer, but the other timer. If you want to buy this timer is a 220 volts. It's a 220 volts capacity. So you can choose any of the other voltage. So just remember that spec if you want to buy this timer. So also this socket. So sometimes if you want to buy this, or if you want that buy to timer, sometimes the manufacturer or the online store suggesting the set, the timer and the socket. But if you have a socket and the timer is broken, so you can buy only this timer. So the same spec. I'm not teaching to the people who knows to install this or who knows what is this. I'm teaching this device to people who don't know what it is. So to the people who knows this, you don't need to listen about this. So you can watch, but you can do to listen because you know all about of this. Okay, thank you. That's all. So, I want to continue. Okay? So, okay. Okay, I want to cut this video for the next video. Okay.